Welcome to our channel. If you want to clean scratches from a DVD using toothpaste, follow these step-by-step instructions to potentially repair minor surface damage and restore playability. Step 1. Gather supplies including a clean soft cloth, lukewarm water, and white non-gel toothpaste without abrasive particles or whitening agents. Step 2. Rinse the scratched DVD under lukewarm running water to remove any loose dust, dirt, or debris from the disc surface. Step 3. Dry the DVD gently with a lint-free cloth by wiping from the center hole straight out to the edges, never in circular motions. Step 4. Apply a small amount of white toothpaste to your finger or a soft cloth and spread it evenly over the scratched area. Step 5. Gently rub the toothpaste into the scratches using straight motions from the center to the edge, applying light pressure for about 2 minutes. Step 6. Rinse the DVD thoroughly under lukewarm water to remove all toothpaste residue, ensuring no paste remains in the center hole or edges. Step 7. Dry the disc again with a clean lint-free cloth using straight wiping motions from center to edge until completely dry. Step 8. Test the DVD in your player to check if playback has improved. If scratches persist, consider professional disc repair services for deep damage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.